Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting power and materials ready. Plug the Make It Real mini pottery studio into a grounded outlet and confirm the power LED glows. This ensures the wheel will run smoothly. While it powers up, pick a 5100G piece of air-dry clay and knead it briefly to remove air pockets. This prevents cracks. Once done, center the clay on the wheel head and press firmly. Make sure to wet your fingers lightly so the clay adheres and will turn evenly. You now focus on centering and forming the walls. Start the wheel at low speed and use your thumbs to force the clay into a symmetrical mound. This is critical for balanced pieces. Once centered, open a small well with your thumbs, then slowly raise the walls by pulling up with steady, wet fingers. This creates uniform thickness. Make sure to adjust speed only if the piece wobbles, and pause to add water so the surface stays workable. This prevents tearing and keeps edges. You finish by refining shape and removing the piece safely. Use a flexible trimming tool on the rim, then smooth surfaces with a damp sponge to remove finger marks. Let the clay firm to leather hard before removal. Cut under the base with a wire tool while the wheel is turning slowly, then set the piece to dry on a flat surface. If the form collapses or shows sagging, compress the rim gently, rebuild the wall with small coils, and dry slowly to reduce cracking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.